At Google, we want to help drive Googlers towards a more balanced, wholesome food choice architecture. So from thoughtfully crafted recipes to substituted ingredients, modified cooking techniques, we're able to deliver great flavors while providing better choices to users.
India has predominantly been culture rich in having plant-forward diet, and it has always been a rich heritage where we carry a lot of plant-forward diet in our cooking. Bringing that to the Googler's life here has been easy because the way we offer the food program has always been plant-focused.
So we strive to design food experiences that make healthier food choices more intuitive. We emphasize fruits, legumes, beans, whole grains, and a variety of offerings, as well as sustainable hydration and portion-controlled sweets to really help people make better choices. So we focus on making these dishes look appetizing, ensuring prominent placement at our buffet lines, and promote those across our various communication channels. We have sustainable hydration as the first thing you see when you walk into a cafe, into a micro kitchen. When you open your coolers, you see freshly squeezed juices at eye level, then non-sugary beverages, and only hidden the sugary beverages for those moments when you do want them. But overall, it is really focused on sustainable hydration. So the food team works to build such practices into the design of the program itself.
We prioritize healthier eating by excluding palm oil or palm oil made products in our cooking. We also look at addition of ghee by giving it separately to the users to choose to add it to their dish. There are certain dishes that we might have to use that, but we use it sparingly so that we give them a healthier choice. Our menus offer a wide variety of whole grains, millets, unpolished white and red rice, as well as the brown rice. We use them into our dishes ranging from breakfast till the evening snacks. Just by alternating the core ingredient and reducing the GI content, we give them a healthier choice to make from. The right spices and the right balance is what we try to keep with the core recipes. For us, it's always about keeping these three mantras in mind. Spice it up, Spice it up by using bold flavors. Use the spices to create bold flavors in your cooking. Create layers in your cooking which give you different flavors. Use local seasonal produce and innovative ways of cooking. The produce that is grown across regionally, pick that up and use them in your daily menus so that you are as close to making the freshest produce possible. Create to bring in old favorites with newer cooking techniques to enjoy the culture-rich foods that we prepare. We also have embraced different cooking methods. We use old favorites with newer cooking techniques and bringing them to the diners every day rather than deep frying or using a lot of oil. We use different cooking methods to prepare the dish. This has always been our best way of putting out best of the dishes. We have also received a lot of positive feedback regarding such inclusions in our menus. The most popular ones are the millet dishes from the breakfast, the millet halim that is offered as a local specialty, the umami mushroom burger that we offer, and also the millet garlic fried rice. We also use strategic signages across the buffet line so that we educate the users of the choices that they are making and picking up the right grain versus the white polished grains.
Waste prevention in our kitchens is a top priority for our chefs. And we focus on that through the lens of data-driven decision-making. Our chefs track the waste that gets produced in our kitchens, and that data helps them to make decisions around changes to the recipes, on changes to cooking volumes or methods that lead to reducing the waste even before it reaches our buffet lines. Gen Zs and millennials have quite a nuanced and multifaceted view towards the role of food and healthy and sustainable eating, and how plant-forward diet and the role of food contribute to overall well-being. Influencing factors like social media, sustainability concerns, and the need for personalization plays a big role in their choice on what to eat on a daily basis. Many Googlers across the company are very keen to learn more about the food that they consume in the office. We want to help them to make more conscious food choices, to introduce different dishes, plant-forward alternatives, and nudge them into more plant-forward methods of dining. We've seen a lot of changes over the past years, and predominantly a real focus on personalization, drive to sustainability, to making conscious food choices that help them at being better, healthier today and over the long term. So we recognize that there's a global health challenge like obesity, diabetes, and cancer. And our food program takes it as a responsibility to make thoughtful choices to address those challenges through a balanced plant-forward diet. We have successfully managed to address some of these challenges by adapting diverse tastes while maintaining a healthy balance and ensuring our offering resonates with everyone. And through that, we celebrate cultural traditions and see food as a way to bring people together, to enhance productivity, and to support our overall company culture.